In this video, I'm going to show you how to lock your files without installing any software. No apps, no downloads, no third-party tools, just a simple built-in method that works on every Windows computer. Let's get started. Step 1. Create a new folder. First, create a new folder anywhere you like. This will be your private folder, the one you want to lock and hide from anyone who might use your computer. Right-click on your desktop or inside a directory, choose New, and select Folder. Name it anything you want. In this example, we'll call it Private. Inside this folder, place all the files you want to protect: photos, documents, videos, anything. Step 2. Create the lock script. Now comes the secret part. Inside the same directory, right-click and choose New, text document. Rename this file to lock.bat. Make sure the extension changes from .txt to .bat. If Windows warns you, click Yes. Now right-click the file and choose Edit. Paste a simple batch script that will hide your private folder and lock it with a password. Once you save and close the file, you're ready to go. Step 3. Set your password and lock folder. Double-click the lock.bat file. A command window will appear asking for the password. Type the password you want to use and press Enter. Immediately, your private folder will disappear. It's now hidden and inaccessible, even if someone tries to unhide files through Windows settings. Anyone who doesn't know your password cannot open it. Step 4. Unlocking the folder. Whenever you want your files back, just double-click the lock.bat file again. This time, it will ask for the password. Enter your secret password, and the folder will reappear instantly with all your files inside. This makes it extremely easy to lock and unlock files at any time, with no apps required. Why this works? This method uses built-in Windows commands to hide your folder, restrict access, require a password, and quickly restore everything when needed. It's lightweight, simple, and effective for everyday privacy. Final thoughts. You don't need expensive apps or complicated security software just to protect your files. With this simple trick, you can lock important documents, private photos, and sensitive data in just a few seconds, using nothing more than a tiny batch file. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tricks and powerful hidden features. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.